It's been a busy few weeks here on the farm. Got a couple of new animals, couple of new little goats that are all bottle fed, so we've been working with that. So it's starting to warm up, and we've got a lot of precipitation, so the grass has been growing, and a lot of people now are going to start thinking about mowing their lawns. And I'm trying to get this pasture moved around so that we can use the fresh grass and green grass that's coming up to go ahead and feed and get a good jump start on the sheep growth and the goat growth. And so we've been moving fencing every couple days around here, and so we've just got a couple of new fences ordered so we can give them more area so we don't have to move them quite as frequently, you know, before they start to eat it down too low to where we need to, you know, move it before they actually kill the grass to, you know, the roots. So we've got our orchard going on over here, and it's starting to bloom. Looks beautiful. The pear blossoms are on, so if we don't get any cold snaps, because it will definitely not be conducive to their health. But we're going to put the fencing around the orchard because we got some long grass up over there, a lot of clover and stuff in there, so we're gonna let them eat on that. And you add this extra fence, so they're gonna have a lot of room. So we're gonna put all the sheep together except for our ram. Our ram is going to stay by himself because he's kind of been a jerk and he's violent, and so we're either going to lean towards butchering him or we're going to take him to market. We're not exactly sure yet what we want to do there. And so everything else though is together. Even the horses with the sheep and the goats are all together, and the ewes and stuff, so it makes it a lot easier when everything can be kind of together. You know, so other than the ram, got most of the grazing animals all together. You need me to hold one?
Yeah. He notices it. He just wants to be around people.
So we'll get the fencing set up, and hopefully they don't go too far and we can get them back in. We may even try to lure him in with like some feed or something, okay?
How long do you think the grass will work once we...
So you see here, we've got like them in here for 4 days. So they've ate down a lot. We got the other side still pretty green, nice and lush, but so this was like where they were before, and so this is about 4 days of growth and a lot of rain, so it's looking, you know, like a lot better over here already where they were. And so we'll get them off of this before it's too late and they get it too short, and hopefully it will bounce back. And it takes about 5 days to kind of regrow to be edible, but it's nice to go a little bit longer than that and let it get nice and long. You know, I like to get and rotate them so we're there off of it for 30 to 45 days.
I like to smell this plastic. What are you doing? In the grass.
Yeah, they're having fun, ain't they?
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
They love it.
It's not a potato or a cup of meat.
Who knows, but they'll eat it. They'll enjoy every bite.
They gave you something, you just in seconds they're gone.
So what we're doing now is we're going around to where the animals were, and we're picking up all the horse poop and kind of like the loose hay and straw and stuff, and all their bedding and stuff, and we're kind of making some compost out of it. And what we're going to be doing later is we're going to be mixing up some older compost that's set for a little while with some of our red wiggler worms, and we're going to use some peat moss, and we're going to be digging up our blackberry plants that have kind of, they're not in the rows anymore, and they're kind of spreading out, and so they have to be either mowed, or what we're going to do is we're going to dig them up and we're going to repot them, and the ones that make it we're going to attempt to sell on our farm stand here. So a little bit of extra income and kind of cleaning up everything. Hey, tell me what you hear.
I hear chirping
Some chirping.
and it trying to like escape.
Okay, do you want to put it on the thing and see if we can see the little guy in there? We have 2 more days left, it says, right?
Yeah, one more day.
Well, he's got the whole egg full. I don't even see a spot.
I know. I don't either.
Yeah, you can definitely, you can feel him in there, huh?
Yeah.
That's really cool, and you can hear him chirping. That's wild. I can feel him tapping around in there.
I know. Check the other ones.
You want to check the other ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Be very careful. We can't break them open yet. So we definitely got some movement in there, don't we? I'm just gonna turn it a little bit. Get on this side.
Oh, you can see it a lot. You can
Yeah,
see all
there's.
the veins.
Yep. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, on one side it's like dark.
Definitely moving around in there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wow. Gonna have a new hatch very, very soon, aren't we?
Yeah.
Pretty cool stuff. This thing is really amazing. And just produce our own little eggs here. Not huge batches, but just enough to have a few laying hens and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff going on in there,
I
isn't
can see
there?
it right there. It's moving a little bit.
Uh-huh. I see him moving too, yeah. Just very little. But he's in there, isn't he?
Yeah.
That's very, very cool.
There's like a little hole right here.
Almost ready. Almost ready to hatch.
Oh, you can see right here.
Mm-hmm.